we shall start a new chapter, that is improvement in food resource. Means what is the importance of food, how we can use, or how can we get the food. We shall study these things in this chapter. We know that food is essential for all livings. Food is essential for all livings because it gives us protein, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Means food is essential for all, and it gives, because we get protein, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins and minerals and all the other things. Our body gets these things from the food, and so food is essential for the growth and development and health. So food is essential for the growth, development and health. And we know that India is a vast country, and so to arrange the food for each Indian, for each man is our motto, and for that we should use the modern technique to provide foods to all. And so effort to meet the food demand by increasing food production is our motto. Means how we can increase the food production, it is our motto. Means to fulfill the demand of all bodies, and for that India government has applied several programs to increase the production. Means Indian government had applied so many techniques, so many programs to increase the productions. For that, one of them, that is Green Revolution, to increase the production of food grain. Similarly, White Revolution, to increase the production of milk. Blue Revolution, to increase the production of fish. In this way, that so many revolutions are going on, that yellow revolutions for the production of wild seeds, silver revolution for the production of eggs, golden revolutions for the production of honey and horticulture. So there are the several revolutions which are applied for the production of these food. We use so many activities to improve to increase the food productions. Okay. And that activities can be classified into followings. That is in crop variety improvement, next one crop production, improvement, and third one is crop protection, improvement. So by these three types we can get good crops or good food hills, and in that the factors are yield, means to increase the productivity per unit hectare, means in the 1 hectare how much we can increase the productivity, such type of seed we use, means the second improved quality, and for that we should use not the local seeds but we should use the improved quality, and usually hybrids are more useful in that way. So we should use the improved quality of seed, use the good and hybrid quality of seeds. Biotic and abiotic resistance, means biotic like diseased insects, like diseased insects, nematodes, and abiotic means drought, heat, cold, etc. They have highly effect on the seed, so we can use such type of seed which can tolerate such condition, means the seeds should tolerate such situations. Means such type of seed we should use which can tolerate such type of situations. wider adaptability means we should select wider means we should select such type of seed which can we should select such type of seeds which can survive in wide area. It means in different area, in different situation, different place, it can be it can be used and it can give high food. Desirable agronomic characters. In this, usually the tallness and the dwarfness of the plant is used, and for that means in some cases tall plant is more beneficial and in some short plants are more beneficial. For the further tall plants are more useful because and for the for the cereals, the short or dwarf plant, because it will take short space and short nutrient and gives high yield. So we use such type of plants, and one is changing in maturity. Changing in maturity durations means short duration crops should be used. Short duration crop should be used. Means which can yield in a short time. So by this way, by using such type of situation, we can improve the variety of crops. Production improvement. To improve the productions, we study the following topics. First one is nutrient management. Second one is irrigation, and third one is cropping pattern. So how we can improve the production? For that we have to see the following points, and we should use these following points, and actually in the India these are used by the peasants. First one is the nutrient management. We know that nutrients are essential for the plants, which they take from the soil, And these are classified into two parts according to essentiality. The nutrients for plants are divided into two parts according to their necessity. According to their necessity, they are divided into two groups, and they actually, and there's essential elements, number of essential elements about 16. In some book you also get 17. And of which they take from the air carbon and oxygen. Carbon in form of CO2 and water, hydrogen and oxygen, and from the soil the nutrients which the plant take from the soil can be divided into two parts. One is macronutrient, micronutrient. Macronutrients, those elements are those which used in more quantity and it is used in less quantity. According to their quantity they are divided, and these are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur. That is 6 elements. And micronutrients are Fe, Mo, molybdenum, manganese, boron, zinc, copper and Cl chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they are macronutrients in 6 and micronutrients are 7. They are essential for the plants and for the plants developments. And sometimes the soil where the plant is seated does not contain all these elements, all these essential elements. So it is the duty of the man to give these essential elements to the plants for good development, and for that we use the manure or fertilizers. It is domestic and it is from the factory. So we use this the manure and fertilizers, and this is organic substance and this is inorganic substance.